Hi, in this video we are going to talk about how to use MySQL command prompt, or we can call it MySQL shell, in XAMPP programming environment. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The reference material for this video can be found on this web page and is case sensitive, so be careful. It is shown here. If we scroll down, this video will use the material here, MySQL and PDO example 008. So the first thing we need to do is start the XAMPP. So we go to the XAMPP control panel, start our Apache, and start our MySQL database. Actually, for this video, you only need MySQL database, but since we are doing PHP, later we are going to start Apache as well. Minimize this and don't close. Oh yeah, we need to use the command prompt, or the shell, people call it. The commands for you need to use for this can be found on this text file. Okay, so you can click on that link to arrive here, and what we are doing is let's go to the shell. So you see the XAMPP for Windows shell environment. So let's log into MySQL. So in this window, you type MySQL -u user, root is the super user, -p prompt for password. And they will ask you to enter password. When you first install XAMPP, there's no password for root super user, which is not a good thing. We're going to fix that later in the next video. So you just hit enter, you'll be able to go in. Hey, you go in as a super user as to the MySQL database. And of course, the next thing you want to do is you want to create another super user just in case you mess up or something like that. So I'm going to create another super user. The super user name is Harry. The password, I'm going to use elbow monkey. And then you hit enter. Okay, so you created a super user with the login name Harry and password elbow monkey. Okay, just remember that the spelling is a bit strange. We do that on purpose. Alright, so now you're in. You want to see something, so you can say show databases. What are the databases in your MySQL database engine? You will have a database called information schema, all the standard good stuff, and then the MySQL will contain the database or contain the information of the stuff need to run this database engine. You have a test and PHP all the good stuff here. So this is already there once you install the XAMPP MySQL database. Alright, I'm going to create another database. I'm not showing you how to do MySQL here. I'm just saying that you can use MySQL in this shell environment. Okay, you should pick up MySQL in another class or something. So I want to create a database, and database name is sample. And now, if you can repeat the previous commands by using the up arrow key and the down arrow key. So I'm going to use the up arrow key to bring out the command. Show databases again. Sample database is created. As you can see here, there was no sample database here, and now there's a sample database here. Okay, so we are done. So we can say, hey, I can exit. Okay, I'm going to exit here. I'm out of the shell. Okay, so I can get out. If you want to go in again, obviously you go back to your XAMPP control panel and click on the shell again. And I have to resize this thing. Okay, so I want to log in again, but now I log in as Harry, the super user I have just created. And if you remember correctly, the password is elbow monkey. And you are in as Harry, okay? So now if you say I want to use sample, I want to show, if you say I want to show databases, you will see that the sample database that was created by the super user is there. And now I want to place some stuff inside the sample database so I won't mess up other databases. So I say I want to use sample. So I change the database to sample. And let's say I want to create a table. I can say the table is called domains. You can create multiple lines when you type SQL statements here. All you need to do is not to type a semicolon. You should be fine. I'm sure you know SQL syntax by now. If you don't watch this video. Okay, so this is the statement for creating a table. Alright, I created a table. Okay, so that's the end of this video, just to show you how to use the shell to do SQL statements. And then in the next video we are going to use the PHP-MyAdmin interface in XAMPP to look at what we have done. So let me log out. You close this. Thanks for watching. That's the end of this video.